Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to use a really handy shortcut in Excel, the Quick Search tool. It makes it super easy to find commands without having to dig through all the tabs and ribbons. Let's jump in. Step 1. The problem. Here I am in my spreadsheet. Let's say I want to apply conditional formatting to a column. Now, if I don't remember where conditional formatting is, I might end up clicking through multiple tabs like Insert, Data, or others, trying to find it. Eventually, yes, it's on the Home tab. But that takes time and can be frustrating. Step 2. Use Quick Search instead. Here's a faster way. Right-click anywhere in the spreadsheet. From the menu, select Search the menus. In the search box, type the tool you want. In this case, conditional formatting. And there it is. Now I can use it immediately, whether I want highlight cell rules, top-bottom rules, data bars, or any of the other options. Step 3. Apply it correctly. Here's an important tip. Make sure you select your data first. If you right-click in a blank spot, the formatting won't apply to the column you want. For example, first, I'll left-click on column G to select it. Then I'll right-click on column G and search the menus. Choose Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than. In the box, I'll type 500. Choose a format. Let's go with green fill with dark red text. And click OK. Just like that, Excel highlights all numbers greater than 500 in column G. Quick, simple, and no need to remember where that command is hidden. Step 4. A quick note. This quick search shortcut is powerful, especially if you forget where certain features live. But I still recommend learning the tabs and ribbons over time. Once you know where everything is, you'll navigate Excel much faster and really master it. If you'd like help with that, check out my video series on Excel tabs and ribbons. That's it for this tutorial. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video.